Alright, how's it going? So, quick rundown on the next video. Just going to be a bit of a quick one. Again, another bit of a shed project this time though. So I'm going to be making an outfeed table for my newly set up, again, table saw. So, just going to be super basic. Picked up an old metal frame a long time ago, don't have no idea where. Been moving it around through 3 different houses, and I knew eventually I'd find a use for it. And it's pretty good height, but it's got no feet on it. The first part was getting some feet on this thing so it's nice and level and could be leveled, because some of my shed's a little bit all over the joint. So I went and picked up some adjustable feet doodads from Bunnings, and they wanted some little cappy bits that go on the end. They're like 20 bucks a pop. And so instead of doing that, I grabbed some old hardwood timber that I had, cut them down to a little bit bigger, just real tight on the ends, and just smashed them in, as you'll see, just to make it real nice and tight. And then just pre-drilled a hole that was just a little bit smaller than the thread on the feet that I've got, because the feet that I've got is just a threaded tube onto a bit, like a knuckly bit, that has the flat bit, so that when you do that, they can move and stuff. Yeah, if that makes any sense. And so just drilled the hole through and then just threaded it on, and it makes its own thread in the timber because it's nice and tight. Happy days. Saved myself 80 bucks. Yeah. Then I just picked up some melamite, whatever you call it, stuff from Bunnings. Pretty cheap, doesn't really matter too much. Just wanted a nice surface on top. It's already white, smooth, clean, all that shit. Got the melamite cut now. Now I'm just making up these little blocks, one at each side. I'm going to bolt them all the way through so it lines up the feet and keeps the feet out of whack and keeps it away from everything. So, got my spacer there, this bit there. There's already a hole that was for the piece that goes along here that I don't need now that I'm going to have this. And so I'm just going to small hole, pre-mark, so I can line it up there, then get it with that. And let's see how we go. Metal self-tapping screws, and just got to countersink them. Just going to countersink them into the melamite. And super quick and easy, should turn out pretty nice. Gives me a bit more space to go out, and we'll get another project done in the shed. Boom! Boom! Yeah!